Hello kids, I hope everybody is fine. So let's start a new topic, that is fractions. So get it go. Fractions. What is a fraction? It is a part of a whole. For example, we have a cake, right? I divided into 4 parts and this part I have eaten. So means how much part I have eaten? 1 out of all 4 parts. So this is the fraction. And how much cake is left? That is 3 parts out of 4. So part of a whole is called fraction. Am I clear? In fraction, the number written on the top is called numerator. Suppose it is written 1 by 4. So this is numerator and this is called denominator. Right? Denominator is a total number of parts, right? And numerator is the parts which we need, right? That we are supposed to represent. Okay? Clear everyone? So this is fraction. Now let us understand types of fractions. Ready? So types of fractions. First is like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fraction in which numerator is same. So we'll write down same, denominator is same. We'll write down same denominator. Okay. Unlike fraction in which denominators are different. That is, we'll write down different denominators. Okay. Next is proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? Proper fraction in which numerator, n means numerator, is smaller than the denominator. Okay. And then improper fraction. Improper fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator or numerator is equals to denominator. Is this clear everybody? Next is unit fraction. Unit fraction in which numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Okay. Next comes mixed fraction. Shall I give you some example? Same denominator like 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Right? So I'll write down here. Same denominator like 11 by 4, 3 by 4. Right? These are like fraction. Why these are like? Because the denominators are same. Next is different. So you'll write down like 7 by 5, 8 by 9. They are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. And proper fraction, numerator small, 7 by 9, 10 by 3. They all are proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? 10 by 13. Then improper fraction, numerator greater than the denominator. So we'll write down 23 upon 7 or we'll write down 6 by 6. Okay. So they are improper fraction. Unit fraction in which numerator is 1, 1 by 7, 1 by 8. Clear everyone? Understood all types of fraction? It's not all type of fraction I have explained. There are still few left. Okay, I'll explain that also. So next I'll explain you mixed fraction, right? Everybody is ready? So let us understand what are mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is the combination of a whole and a proper fraction, right? It's a combination of a whole and a improper fraction. For example, 3 whole 2 by 5. How come this 3 whole 2 by 5 came? Right, so I'll give you one example. Suppose I have 3 pizzas, right? I divided into 4 parts. Okay, I have eaten this all the 4 parts. Here also I have eaten all the 4 parts. And here I eat only 1 part. So how much pizza I have eaten? This one, this whole, and plus 1 by 4. So this means I have eaten 2 whole and 1 by 4 pizza. Understood everyone? This is how we call it mixed fraction. Now let us understand how to convert improper to mixed and vice versa. Means mixed to improper. Let us understand the conversion. That is conversion from. So suppose the number is given 23 by 7. This is improper fraction. Let us understand how to convert to mixed fraction. So what I am explaining here? I am explaining here conversion of improper to mixed fraction. And right? Suppose fraction is given 23 by 7. This is improper fraction, right? Because numerator is greater. Very simple. We simply divide this. 7 3s are 21. Okay. So how to write down? See, denominator will be same as the given in the question 7. And this remainder goes on the top and this comes as a whole, right? So this is 3 whole 2 by 7. This is how we can convert improper to mixed, right? Now let us understand how to convert mixed to improper. It is also very easy to understand. Let us see. Now mixed to improper. Suppose fraction is given 4 whole 2 by 6. So what you have to do? Let us make it. We multiply these two and then plus to this one. How? 7 multiplied by 4 plus 2. And do not forget to write down the denominator. Okay? It is same as given in the question. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30. So answer is 30 by 7. This is how we convert mixed to improper. Is this clear everyone? Let us move ahead. Now we'll understand how to compare the fractions, right? Suppose if it is given like fraction, very simple to compare. Suppose a number is given 4 by 9 and 16 by 9. These are like fractions, so very simple to compare. Greater denominator means the greater fraction. This one is greater, right? Simple. But how to compare when the fractions are unlike? Suppose it is given 4 by 7 and 5 by 6. How to compare? In this way, what we do? We cross multiply. Let us cross multiply this by this and this by this. So 4 multiply 6 and 5 multiply 7. 4 6 are 24. 5 7s are 35. So which one is greater? This side. It means 4 by 7 is less than 5 by 6. Is it clear how to compare? By cross multiplication. Now, next is these type of question can also come from the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means the fraction which are having the same value. Like if it is given 4 by 9, equivalent means equal to 12 by dash. How to find out? You know how to find out the equivalent fraction? Either you multiply numerator and denominator with the same number or you divide numerator and denominator with the same number, right? Now here you can see, here it is 12 greater than 4, means we have multiply, must have multiply. With which number we have multiply 4 to get 12? 3. So same with the denominator also you have to multiply by 3. So 9 3s are 27. This is how you get the equivalent fraction. Let us take one more example. Suppose it is given 36 by 48. And here let's say it is given 4. Means smaller number we must have divided. With which number we have divided 48 to get 4? Let us divide it by this. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So we have divided 48 by 12 to get 4. Similarly, 36 should also be divided by 12. 36 divided by 12 is, right, 3. So this is how you get the equivalent fractions. Okay, clear everyone? Let us move ahead. Next is we have to understand how to add and subtract, simplify and multiply, divide. Let us understand. Before that, I'll explain you how to reduce. Reduce to the lowest. How to reduce the fraction, right? Let us say, suppose the fraction is given 36 by 48, right? First you have to find out with which number shall I divide. But you have to find out that number which can divide both the numbers, right? So let's say 2, yes. Any other number? 4, yes. 6, yes. Any other bigger number? By 12, let's do it by 12. See, if I divide this both by 12, here it gives 3 and here 4. Can it be divisible by any other same number? No. So this is our lowest term. Is this clear? Understood everyone? So this is how we reduce to the lowest term. If you want to reduce it by the, like if you don't think a bigger number, you can start with a smaller number, then also you'll get the same answer. Let's see, if you wanted to divide by 6. So here answer is 6 6 are 36, 6 8 are 48. Again it is reducible by 2. We'll divide it by 2. See, the answer is again 3 by 4. Is this clear everyone? Let us move ahead. Now understand how to add the fraction. Addition of fractions. See, when the fractions are like, then it is really simple to add or subtract. Like for example, if the fraction is given 4 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Very simple. What do you have to do? Just add the numerators, right? Write down 9 because they are like fractions. Then 4 plus 5 gives you 9 by 9. And what is 9 by 9? 9 by 9 is 1. So our answer is 1. This is how we add the like fraction. Similarly, we subtract the like fraction also. Only numerators get subtracted. Okay. Now let us understand. I give you another example for unlike fraction. If the fractions are unlike, how to add that type of fraction? Suppose the fraction is 2 whole 1 by 6 plus, let us say, 3 by 4. Now you can see they are unlike fractions, right? So first we convert it into improper. 6 multiplied to 12 plus 1, 13 by 6 plus 3 by 4. Now first you have to find out, you have to make them like. How to make them like? You have to find out the LCM. How we can find out the LCM quickly? I'll tell you. Among 6 and 4, which is the greatest one? 6. 6 ones are 6. Comes in the table of 4? No. 6 twos are 12. It comes in the table of 4? Yes. So our LCM is 12. Simple. Right? Now let us understand. So what we do here? Now we'll write down 12. 12 should be divided by this and then answer should be multiplied by the numerator. So 12 divided by 6 and then multiply by 13. Sign of addition. Again 12 divided by 4 multiply by 3. Okay. Let's say 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 2 multiply 13, 26. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiply by 3 is 9. Here 12, 26 plus 9, 35 by 12. Can we reduce it? Is it they both come in the same number? No. So let us convert into mixed fraction. How to convert? As I have explained you. So with which number shall I do? 12 ones are 12, 2s are 24. So how to write it down in the mixed fraction? Denominator remains the same, remainder goes up, and here too. This is our answer. This is how you can add the unlike fraction. What do? First you have to take the convert. If it is given in improper, convert into proper. LCM to be taken, and then LCM should be divided by the denominator, multiply by numerator, and then addition. Simple. And do remember, if it is reducible, you have to reduce. If it is improper fraction, like it is given here improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed. Okay. Now let us understand how to subtract unlike fraction. Okay. Let us take the example. It is given, suppose 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. You can see they are unlike. So we have to take the LCM here. I have already told you. 5 and 3, which one is greater? 5. So 5 ones are 5 comes in the table of 3? No. So next is 5 twos are 10 comes in the table of 3? No. 3s are 15 comes in the table of 3? Yes. So LCM will be 15. So again the same process, 15 divided by 5 and multiply by 4. So I am doing it directly now. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 4s are 12. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Multiply by 2 is 10. So 12 minus 2, 10. 2 by 15. Are they reducible? No. Can we convert into mixed fraction? No, because they are proper fraction. So this is our answer. I hope you understood how to add and subtract unlike and like fractions. Very good. Now, how to simplify. If suppose both the operation are given together, then what do you have to do? Suppose they have given you add and multiply together. What we do? Suppose it is given 5 minus 1 by 6 and then plus 2 whole 1 by 3. Suppose this type of question is given, then what to do? You can see subtraction is also there, addition is also there. No problem. Remember, first thing, nothing given in the denominator, we can write down 1. Okay. And what you have to do, all plus together should come first. So there is no sign, means this is plus, this one is minus, and this one is plus. So let us take all plus together. First we'll rearrange. This will come first and then we write down minus. Clear? Then we have to simplify as we have done earlier. LCM and then move on. So 5 by 1 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Right? I need more space, so I'll write down rest of the part here. So here first is LCM. 3 1 6. Which is greater? 6. 6 ones are 6. Comes in the table of 3? Yes, the LCM is 6. Right? Now what to do? Let us write down here 6. 6 divided by 1 is 6. Multiply by 5, 30. Sign of addition, 6 divided by 3, 2. Multiply by 7, 14. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Multiply by 1 is 1. Okay. So 30 plus 14 is, I am writing here, 44 and minus 1 upon LCM is 6. 41 minus 1 is 43. Is it reducible? They come in the same table? No, but we can convert into mixed fraction. So let us convert. 43 divided by 6, 6 sevens are 42 and 1. So answer will be 6, 1 here, 7. So 7 whole 1 by 6 is the answer. I hope you understood this. Addition, subtraction and simplification. Everything is clear. Now we'll understand multiplication and division. Very simple. In multiplication and division, we are not supposed to take the LCM. Now I'll write down multiplication fractions. Let us take one example of multiplication of fraction. Let us say we'll take 4 whole 1 by 2, right? Multiply 2 whole 1 by 3. This is the multiplication. Let us understand. In this case, we'll not take LCM, but let us first convert to improper. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Very simple. How we get the answer? Numerator multiply numerator, denominator by denominator. But if we can reduce, if we can cancel here, we'll do it. Can we see? But remember, only numerator and denominator can be cancelled. You cannot cancel numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Do not do that. Okay? Either you can cancel like this, or like this. So 3 and 9 can be reduced. 3 ones are 3. And when 9 comes in the table of 3, 3s are. So we are left with 3 multiply 7. And in the denominator, we write down 2. Right? No need to take LCM. So here 7 3s are 21 upon 2. Again, we cannot reduce, but it can convert into mix. 2 ones are 2. Drop 0. Zeros are. So answer will be, denominator will be 2. Remainder goes up, and here question. This is how you multiply. Simple. Numerator should be multiplied numerator, denominator by denominator. And then the same thing. If the answer can be reduced, reduce it. Otherwise convert into mixed. Right? Clear? This is how we can multiply. Now how to divide the fraction. Let us understand division of fraction. So before I start division of fraction, first I'll explain you reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Suppose I gave you 4 by 3 and you are supposed to take out the reciprocal. Reciprocal means we just change the position. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. This is how we take out the reciprocal, right? And why I explained this reciprocal, you'll understand. Do not worry. Let us take one example of division of fractions. Suppose the number is given as 4 by 9 and divided by 2 by 9. So first thing, always remember what is the divisor here? Of course, the second number is the divisor. So it should be written as it is, and now we take the reciprocal of the second number. I have explained you reciprocal? Yes. So when we take the reciprocal, division becomes multiplication, and reciprocal means 9 here, 2 here. Now simple, as we have done multiplication. Can be cancelled anything? Yes. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So what we are left with? 2 multiply 1, and in the denominator 1 ones are 1. So our answer is 2. Is it simple or not? Clear everyone? I hope you understood this fraction, types of fraction, how to reduce, how to compare, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide. And if you really need to ask any question, just give me your question in the comment box, okay? And do give your replies and do give your comments. Did you like my video? So bye bye, take care.